First method to shut down your PC. Right-click on mouse, select New option, then select Shortcut option, then type what you see in screen. Click on Next option, again click on Next, then double-click on this shortcut, which is created now. Now if you slide this down with mouse, your PC will shut down. Second method to shut down your PC. Press Windows key plus R, type CMD, then click on OK. Then CMD will open. Type shutdown/S and press Enter key. Then you get this type of option. Click on Close option. Now your PC will shut down. Third method to shut down your PC. Type Alt plus F4. Then press Enter. Select Shutdown option. Then press Enter. Then your PC will shut down. Fourth method to shut down your PC. Press Windows key plus X. Then double-click on you. Then your PC will shut down.